Mr. Paul, I'd like to discuss the importance of measuring your serum amylase levels. This blood test helps assess the function of your pancreas.
I understand, Dr. Mihira. What is the significance of serum amylase?
Serum amylase is an enzyme produced by the pancreas. Elevated levels can indicate pancreatic inflammation, which can be a sign of pancreatitis.
I've never heard of pancreatitis. What are the symptoms?
Symptoms of pancreatitis can include severe abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, and fever. It's important to seek immediate medical attention if you experience these symptoms.
I'll be sure to do that. How often should my serum amylase levels be checked, Dr. Mihira?
The frequency of testing depends on your individual risk factors and medical history. We'll determine the appropriate schedule based on your specific circumstances. Mihira, I want to give you some steps you can take if Sam has another seizure. First, try to stay as calm as possible and make sure Sam is in a safe place, like on the floor, away from anything that could hurt him, sharp objects or hard furniture, for example. Gently turn him onto his side so he doesn't choke on saliva. It's really important not to put anything in his mouth, even though it might feel like that's the right thing to do. Just focus on keeping him safe and comfortable until the seizure passes. When the episode ends, try to note down how long it lasted and any other details you notice, like how he was moving or if he lost consciousness. This information will be really helpful for the doctor. At home, it might be a good idea to child-proof the space a little more, just to minimize the risk of another seizure happening. For example, you could pad any sharp corners on furniture or clear out any dangerous objects from areas where Sam spends time.